You've been trying to be consistent. You've been telling yourself, this time around, I'll do it right. You've made plans, you've set goals, you've promised yourself you will change, but every single time it feels like the same loop. You start strong and then you slowly fade out. And at some point, you begin to wonder if you're even built for this, if maybe you just don't have what it takes to stay disciplined. But listen, that's not true. You're not weak, you're not lazy, you are just human. Discipline feels impossible because it goes against everything your mind is wired to do. Your brain wants comfort, it wants safety, it wants things that feel good right now, not things that pay off later. And every time you fight it, that hurts. It feels heavy, it feels pointless, but that's the fight that builds you. You keep saying you'll start when you feel ready, but the truth is, you will never feel ready. There is no perfect mood, no burst of motivation waiting to arrive. It's just you deciding that today you'll do something, no matter how small. That's how discipline starts. Not from motivation, but from choices, from doing things even when you don't feel like it. You think discipline means being strong all the time, but it doesn't. It means doing what needs to be done, even when you are tired, even when it's boring, even when no one claps for you. It means showing up for yourself when nobody notices. It's easy to work hard when people are watching, but the real growth happens when no one sees you, when it's just you and your thoughts, and you still choose to move. That's what changes. That's what changes people. Not speed, not talent, but consistency. Slow, quiet, painful consistency. And yeah, some days you will fail. You will fall back into old habits. You will scroll instead of work. You will skip instead of showing up. But that doesn't mean you lost. That means you are still in the fight. Because discipline isn't about being perfect. It's about not quitting. It's about learning how to start again, even after you break your own promises that you've made to yourself. That's what most people never do. They quit when they mess up once. You just have to decide you won't. You can rest, you can pause, but don't stop. You're not supposed to feel like doing it every day. Nobody does. The only difference between people who change and people who stay stuck in one place is that one group keeps going even when it's uncomfortable. The truth is, your future doesn't care how you feel right now, it only cares about what you do. And what you do today, even the smallest step, is shaping who you are becoming. So stop waiting to feel ready. Stop waiting to believe in yourself first. Just start. Do it tired, do it scared, do it unsure. That's still discipline. Every day you show up, you prove something to yourself that you are stronger than the excuses, stronger than the fear holding you back, stronger than the noise, and slowly it gets easier. Not because the work changes, but because you do. You start trusting yourself again. You start realizing that maybe you can actually do this. And one day it won't feel impossible anymore. It will just feel normal because you have become the kind of person who doesn't quit. That's the real goal. Not motivation, but transformation. So if this message found you today, maybe it was meant to. Maybe it's your reminder to stop waiting for the perfect moment and start now. And if you ever need someone to keep you grounded, to remind you who you really are, that's what this space is for. So don't forget to subscribe. Stay here. We grow together one step at a time.